Hello everyone, I'm Tanveer from India. In this video, we will learn how you can get recognition on pub loans. So before that, there is an important announcement that Web of Science Researcher ID, EndNote and pub loans all are together now. This means if you have account on Researcher ID, EndNote, you can log in with the same credentials to get start with pub loans. So why you should explore and learn pub loans? Because there are three main important parameters. You can track your publications, you can manage your citations, and you can manage peer reviews. So these three are important parameters that a researcher have to do, and pub loans will help you to cover up all these things. So let us explore publoans.com. So I will type here publoans.com. You can sign up on publoans.com, or if you have researcher ID account, you can directly log in with that. So this is my login. It is already signed in. So here you can see the dashboard summary. That is, I can track my citation and I can manage my reviews and many more things are there. So first of all, I will click on publication here, which is under my records. So when I will click on my publications, so here you can see that my publication details are there. You can also upload your publication if you are new to Publoans. So here is a button to import all your publications. So there are few methods with which you can upload your publication. Number one is you can import from Web of Science, and you can sync your account with ORCID. And if you have DOI, if your title is having DOI, so directly you can type here the DOI of your paper so that it will retrieve your paper details and add under your publication details. So the last option is if you have RIS, CSV or BibTeX files, you can directly upload here and it will be added under your publication section. So these are the four methods with which you can upload your publication. So now I will again go to dashboard summary, and the next which I will cover in this video is how you can track your citations. So when you will click on citation button, there will be a page having all your publication which we have just seen. So in that you can see your citation number here. So I have just uploaded my papers and citation has been not calculated yet. So here you will get all your citations, that this paper is cited by how many researchers. So all the information can be retrieved here. So I will again go to my dashboard summary to show you one important section, that is manage my reviews. Here you can add your past reviews, or if you are going to add a new review to any paper. So here you can see that the message is showing you haven't added any reviews yet. So if you want to add a review, we will click on the button that is add a review. So here you will get three options. Number one is pre-publication review. This means you can load the details of a review you have previously written for a journal or a conference. So here I like one thing a lot about Publoans, that if the article has been published, please enter its DOI to ensure we associate your review correctly, because as it would be unfair to the authors, and Publoans do not show the title of article or publish the content of review until the manuscript has been published. So this is a very beautiful thing which Publoans have done, that it do not show the title of article until the manuscript has been published. So this is applicable if you're going for a pre-publication review. And the second thing is post-publication review, which means you're writing a new review of a published manuscript. So Publoan will help you to gather all your reviews, whether it is a pre-publication review or it is a post-publication review. So it will help you to get all your reviews here, and you can see your review content. And the third thing is, which is a latest addition in Publoans, that you can help COVID-19 researchers to navigate the literature by reviewing a COVID-19 related papers. So in this way you can add a review here and you can write a review content here, and then you can click on a create review button. So in this way you can get a recognition on Publoans by writing a review. So this is all about interface of Publoans and how you can track your citation, how you can manage your reviews, and under the section of my records you can see your publication. So here is a button that is a public profile. You can upload your details, your institution name like I have mentioned mine, and you can have a publication, total time cited, and here you can see my Web of Science researcher ID. As now they are all together, so your researcher ID will be written here, it can be displayed here. So this is how other people, other researcher will look into your profile. Your paper will appear like this. If your paper is having DOI, it will be reflected here. So all your details will be uploaded on Publons like this. So I wish that you should use the Publons being a researcher to manage all your citations and publication, and support other researchers or authors by submitting a review. So thank you so much.